have that.
The Kian and JC channel.
Woo! Whoa, what? We have reasons why. I even got tattooed. Okay. We have reasons why you guys should go and watch Kian and JC videos.
On YouTube.
What?
What? Yeah, YouTube's a thing where you can watch videos.
So, you guys could go watch that because they are very thrilling, dangerous,
Hot.
yeah, man, like
They have tattoos. Woo. And they have puppies.
I have a puppy too. Max, come here.
Max.
Right here. Say hi. Okay, fine, go, fine. Okay, so you guys just go watch them because they're pretty awesome.
They're awesome.
They're very awesome.
They do.
The crab face, yeah.
Bushka. That's my kid.
They do very thrilling. They're very creative and
They're funny.
awesome. They're just awesome, guys. You guys have to give them a chance.
Yeah, come on, guys.
So these are some things we try to do to promote them. Yeah, the first one didn't really turn out as well as we thought.
Hi,
Hello,
I'm JC.
I'm Kian, and we would like to promote this.
Kian and JC channel.
If you could please tell your friends,
Anyone you know.
neighbors, strangers, aliens, anyone, it would be great.
Watch Kian and JC on YouTube. That would be amazing.
Great.
What do you say? Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
That didn't
turn out too well.
No, it didn't. But hey, at least we asked somebody,
like,
right?
Yeah.
Dope.
Ow. I mean, ow.
You're funny.
You're funny. You're so hilarious,
Bruh, yeah.
I mean,
For the thing that we did, we did some awesome stuff. You know, we did like the banner.
we did the ice bath.
Yeah, that was like
because we got inspired by their videos.
Yeah, we
they're
got
awesome.
inspired
They're
by
thrilling.
Kian and JC.
They don't care what people think. They just
don't
do
care
it.
what the people say. We
I
don't
don't
have to
understand,
be
bro.
ordinary.
So, hope you like this video of us trying to do it.
Yeah.
It wasn't what we expected. We thought the
It
water
was
would be
kind of-
warmer.
We thought that the more times we did it would be warmer, but no.
No, we were totally wrong.
No, and we had a special guest as well to help us
Yeah,
out.
one of our pals, like she
One of our
she could be
dudettes.
She could be like Connor.
Yeah,
She could be Connor,
Connor
man.
Franta, man.
Yeah.
Because they look totally alike.
Let's go and watch that video, bro. Bro. Okay, let's go.
What a challenge.
Hey guys, we're doing a bath ice water
Yeah,
challenge,
ice
and
challenge.
we're all going in.
That was wrong.
That's the water.
Oh God, let's go. Okay, go. Let's go. We just finished doing the ice water challenge and it was horrible.
It sure was. Now we're gonna go, the three of us, okay?
I'm gonna like.
It's not as warm as you think. It's freaking cold.
Oh my God. Actually, it's not that cold anymore.
No.
Oh, yeah.
I can't feel my feet. That's okay, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Video. We had a lot of ideas to
We
do.
had a lot of fun doing it.
But also we ran out of time.
And we didn't have too much time to be able to do it.
Together, yeah. So
Yeah.
this is what we could do, but it was really
hey,
thrilling.
We were
decorated. Well, I decorated. And she bought the hat. Yeah. So like
from Dollarama for only $2.50. Wow! Prices.
I know,
right?
And so yeah, this is what we had to do.
There.